Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can set up Power BI desktop application in our machine. For that, we have two different approaches. In the very first approach, we need to click on this particular link, which will redirect us into a browser. And in the second approach, we will download it from Microsoft Store. So when the page loads, you need to scroll down. You will able to see that Power BI desktop option here. You need to click on advanced download option. When the page get loaded, you need to scroll down and click on download option, and you need to select 64-bit exe file. Click on download. Once the download gets completed, you need to click on this setup file, and a setup wizard will appear like this. Okay, you need to click on next, and the setup will be completed. As I have already installed Power BI application, I am not going to click on next. The second mode of downloading Power BI desktop into your machines, you can simply browse Power BI in the Microsoft Store, and the page will get loaded like this. You need to click on Power BI desktop, and you need to click on the option get. As I am already installed, it will show open, but whoever not installed Power BI desktop, they will get an option like get. You need to click on that, and Power BI desktop will get installed into your machines. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we are going to discuss Power BI architecture and different components of Power BI desktop application.